Mark with Aimco Manufacturing. Today I'd like to demonstrate for you one of our cantilever grippers. This tool is equipped with some offset jaws. This is to allow operators the ability to access these parts deep inside a machine face. We've also equipped it with an adjustable guide to make it easier for operators to know when they've touched down, they've gotten the part centered with their grip pads, and they've gone deep enough. We've also equipped it with some counterweights on the back end. That's to keep the unloaded state level. I'll show you how it works. I'm going to simply bring the tool in, bring the bottom lip down on your flange, and it touches down on the rounds on your radius. You know you've gone deep enough. The tool also comes with a two-hand release. This means your unclamped button is disabled unless it's used in conjunction with a common trigger. For more product videos, please visit aimcomanufacturing.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.